Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my super easy and delicious birria-inspired cheesy ground beef crunchy tacos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our saucepan, we're going to begin by adding 4 New Mexico chili pods, 3 California, 1 chile ancho, 2 Roma tomatoes, and 1/4 of an onion. We're going to cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it all comes to a boil, we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our birria sauce. To a blender cup, we're going to add 2 garlic cloves, 2 whole cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon, and we're going to be blending with 1 cup of water. Now blend until smooth. All right, so once we have that, now we can get ready to take it to the stove. To our skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to be melting 1 tablespoon of lard or oil. Once our skillet is nice and hot, we're going to add half of a small diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. We're going to saute it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add 3 pounds of ground beef. We're going to season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin, oregano, half a teaspoon of thyme, ginger, and salt to taste. And now just break it down. Mix it and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, our meat should have browned. So here we're going to add 1 cup of refried beans along with our sauce. Strain if you need to. And I'm going to be adding half a cup of water to my blender. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and just bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. Going to be adding a little bit more. So now we're going to add 2 bay leaves and allow this to simmer for 15 minutes over medium-low heat. Okay, so after 15 minutes, as you can see, all of the liquid should have evaporated. So our meat is done. We're just going to remove the bay leaves. And now we can get ready to make our tacos. Okay guys, so to make our tacos, we're going to grab our comal over medium heat. Just going to cover the bottom with oil. Okay, once it's nice and hot, we're going to place our tortillas. And we're going to be frying until they're nice and golden. Okay, so after a minute, we're going to flip them over. And just allow that side to golden. Okay, so now we're going to add our queso Oaxaca, or you can use Monterey Jack. Here we're also going to add our meat. I'm going to squeeze a little lime juice. And add chopped cilantro and onion. And here we're just going to close it and allow that cheese to completely melt. Okay, so once our cheese is completely melted, we can remove them from the pan and just get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's honestly perfect if you have a big crowd and you want to give them some delicious tacos. Then this right here are honestly the best. And of course, we need a salsita. I'm going to be using my salsa taquera. So add a little bit because it's spicy. Now, if you don't want your birria adobo sauce to be on the spicy side, you can always just stick to using guajillo peppers. But this right here, it's honestly the best. So cheers and enjoy. So delicious, so flavorful, so rich. You definitely have to give them a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make super easy and delicious birria-inspired crunchy tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.